Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
We've got some whole grain bread, some banana. This is cheddar cheese. And what? You got it, peanut butter. Ooh. Mike Foster here. It's time for a crazy sandwich. You saw it. Peanut butter, banana, and a slice of cheese on a whole grain bread. Hey, you're gonna get a lot of protein out of this, but let's see what it tastes like. Believe it or not, I've never tried this before. Let's put this bad baby together, see what it tastes like. All right, this has been toasted. Let's lather on the peanut butter, nice and thick. Oh yeah, look at that. You see how thick that is? Nice. Let's do it on both sides. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. This peanut butter has no salt or sugar, so it's actually healthier than you think. All right, what next? Put this piece of cheese here, then flip it so we get peanut butter on both sides. Look how thick that peanut butter is. Then we take these, I slice these bananas, so we're gonna put a banana in every bite. See what I'm doing? I know you see it. Guess what? It's not enough. Putting more. All right, here's the flipperoo and the presseroo. Let's center that. I'm ready for the sliceroo. Are you? And here's the reveal. Nothing but banana, peanut butter, and cheese. Let's get a close-up. There's the close-up. Can this possibly taste good? We're gonna find out in a second. Big bite coming up. All right, there you go. Looks pretty. Let's see if it tastes good. All right, here's the bite. Takes the peanut butter right off. Banana's nice and soft and creamy. The bread's delicious. Where's that cheese? It's blending in perfectly. Can't make a decision on one bite. Let's try another. Sandwich will be done in a minute. It's a delicious sandwich. It's perfect. Loaded with your protein to start your day. Healthy bread, bananas are healthy, peanut butter is healthy. Just need to do a lot of chewing. Check out Live Life 365 at YouTube for more videos, and subscribe, tell people about it. Till next time, peace. Sweet Babu.
Live life 365.
That's right. This one won't fit, but it'll fit here. Baba.